Good evening, I'm Rhea Jha, and thank you for joining us for 18 News at 10. Tonight, the White House has unveiled its plan for major COVID vaccine rollout for children 5 to 11 years old. Even though the FDA and CDC have still not officially signed off on that authorization, 18 News' Washington correspondent Jesse Turner breaks down the details of that plan.
Good evening. That decision should be coming down within the next couple of weeks. And so the Biden administration is trying to work ahead of the expected approval as much as possible.
We'll be ready to vaccinate kids.
An additional 28 million Americans could soon be eligible for a COVID-19 shot if the FDA and CDC authorize the Pfizer vaccine for a younger age group.
We have secured vaccine supply to vaccinate every child ages 5 through 11.
After the expected approval, White House COVID-19 response coordinator Jeff Zients says the administration is ready to immediately ship the first 15 million doses across the country, where they will be available at places easy for families to access, like pediatrician offices, pharmacies, and schools.
Parents in general look to their school to make sure that they have clear information about how to keep their kid safe and growing, and this is no different.
Mary Wall, a White House senior policy advisor for education, expects an initial rush to get the shot. But if the vaccination rate slows as it did for adults, Wall would leave any decisions about vaccine requirements in schools to state and local officials.
What we would ask is that states and local governments do as much as they can to make sure that every parent has information about the vaccine and to make that vaccine available in as many places as possible.
But Dr. Anthony Fauci stressed just how important it is to ultimately vaccinate the majority of these 28 million kids.
That would play a major role in diminishing the spread of infection in the community.
And the FDA Advisory Committee will discuss Pfizer's request to authorize its vaccine for 5 to 11-year-olds during a meeting next Tuesday. In Washington, I'm Jesse Turner.
Also tonight, the FDA authorized booster shots for adults fully vaccinated with Moderna and Johnson & Johnson. The stage is now set for the CDC's review and likely authorization after the FDA also approved mixing and matching boosters.